Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to get your literary analysis essay properly uploaded to SeeSaw. So you're going to go into Word Online. I'm just picking out a random document, but you will pick out your literary analysis essay. Once you're in Microsoft Word, you're going to click Edit Document. You'll edit it in the browser. Then you're going to click on the File button, and you will click on File, Save As. You need to save it and download it as a PDF document. So you'll choose the option to download it as a PDF. Then it will say your document is ready. Click on Download. It will pop up at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a little button on the bottom that says Your Literary Analysis Essay. Then you can go to SeeSaw, click on the plus sign, and you'll select the option to add a file. When you add your file, you can just drag that downloaded document up, and then it will post to your SeeSaw page. So that is how you can get your literary analysis essay onto SeeSaw.